Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget golf irons that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your game without breaking the bank, this list has you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Cleveland Golf Launcher Max Iron Set. This set is designed with high forgiveness in mind, making it an excellent choice for beginner and intermediate golfers looking to improve their game. The standout feature here is the wide sole design, which helps create consistent turf interaction and minimizes mishits. Its undercut cavity back design deepens the center of gravity, offering a high launch and forgiving play, even if you're not hitting the sweet spot every time. In terms of design and build quality, the Launcher Max irons feature a satin finish and are available in both lightweight steel and ultra-lightweight graphite shaft options. This makes them incredibly easy to swing, a huge plus for those who struggle with club head speed. However, the overall weight of the set at 9 pounds is noticeable, which might be a downside for players who prefer lighter irons. Performance-wise, these irons cater to players who prioritize forgiveness over precision. They are less about finesse and more about helping you get the ball airborne and straight. While this is great for high handicap players, advanced golfers might find the lack of feedback and precision limiting. At $499.99, this set is budget-friendly, but with a 3.4-star rating, it's clear that it doesn't quite meet everyone's expectations. Beginners will appreciate its forgiving nature, but others might want to look elsewhere for more all-around performance. Coming in at number 4 is the Cleveland Golf Zipcore XL Iron Set, a solid choice for players seeking enhanced forgiveness and consistency. The Zipcore technology in the 8-iron through sand wedge positions the center of gravity right where you strike the ball, ensuring more consistent performance. This set also boasts HydroZip, a unique dynamic blast and laser milled system that enhances spin for better distance control with long irons and superior control with short irons. The design of the Zipcore XL irons is modern and functional, with a larger club head that increases MOI, moment of inertia, for straighter, higher shots. The mainframe technology in the 4-iron through 7-iron maximizes face flex for increased ball speed, while the satin finish provides a premium look. However, at a loft of 29 degrees, these irons are a bit less suited for players who prefer lower ball flights. In terms of performance, the Zipcore XL irons excel in forgiveness and control, making them a great option for mid to high handicappers. However, advanced players might find the oversized heads less appealing for precision shots. While the price wasn't available at the time of this review, these irons deliver excellent value for players who need help with ball speed and consistency. With a 4.3-star rating, it's clear they resonate well with their target audience. At number 3, we have the Callaway Golf Rogue ST Max Iron Set, a game improvement iron designed for golfers who want maximum distance and forgiveness. Callaway has packed cutting-edge technology into this set, including AI-designed flash face cup technology that delivers impressive ball speed and consistency. The precision tungsten weighting enhances launch conditions, while the urethane microspheres improve feel and sound, making these irons a standout in terms of player experience. The design is sleek and modern, with a silver finish that looks premium. The set's construction includes high-strength 450 steel, which adds durability and contributes to the iron's consistent performance. While the lofts are relatively strong, the spin rate optimization ensures that your shots maintain a controlled and playable trajectory. Performance-wise, these irons are incredibly forgiving, making them a perfect choice for mid to high handicappers. The high launch and soft landing angles are ideal for holding greens, even on longer approach shots. However, skilled players might find the strong lofts and game improvement design limiting for shaping shots or controlling trajectory. While the price isn't available at the moment, this set has earned a 4.5-star rating, highlighting its reliability and performance for players seeking distance and forgiveness. The runner-up spot goes to the TaylorMade SIM 2 Max Iron Set Men's, a high-performance set designed for players who want a balanced combination of distance, forgiveness, and feel. The cat-back design, made with high-strength stainless steel and ultra-lightweight polymers, ensures a low center of gravity for effortless launches. The echo damping system minimizes vibrations, giving these irons a forge-like feel that's rare in budget-friendly options. In terms of design, the SIM 2 Max irons are sleek and modern, with a durable steel construction. The through-slot speed pocket technology maximizes face flexibility, translating to higher ball speeds even on off-center strikes. Progressive inverted cone technology ensures optimal forgiveness and minimizes side spin, making these irons highly forgiving for amateur players. When it comes to performance, these irons excel in both distance and forgiveness. They're ideal for mid to high handicappers who need help with launch and consistency. Advanced players might find the feel slightly muted compared to premium forged irons, but for the price, the SIM 2 Max irons strike an excellent balance. With a 4.5-star rating and glowing reviews from users, they're a reliable choice for golfers looking to improve their long game. Taking the top spot on our list is the TaylorMade Qi Irons Gunmetal 5PW AW steel shaft. These irons are a game changer for players who want a combination of sleek aesthetics and unmatched performance. The gunmetal PVD finish not only looks stunning, but also reduces glare, giving these irons a premium, professional look. The face technology helps reduce cut spin for straighter shots, making them highly forgiving for players prone to slicing. The Qi irons deliver exceptional performance with FLTD CG technology, strategically positioning the center of gravity for better playability in long irons and enhanced control in scoring clubs. Each head is tailored for specific performance, ensuring consistent launch, spin, and distance throughout the set. The steel construction adds durability, while the standard rubber grips offer solid control and feel. In terms of user experience, these irons stand out for their versatility. They're forgiving enough for mid to high handicappers, but precise enough for lower handicap players looking for control and consistency. While the price isn't available, the Qi irons have earned a perfect 5.0 star rating, proving they're a favorite among golfers who value both style and substance. If you want a set that combines cutting-edge technology with stunning design, the Qi irons are the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.